How about over there?
Well, you guys have the same
Hi, honey.
Team G.
Hi, sabi niya yung si Luz, kamukha ni Miss Tapia sa school book.
She lose a lot of weight, huh?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Pasensyahan na talaga asawa ko. Same pa rin yung sinusuot niya. And, nag-ano siya ng coffee. Tapos na akong nagluto ng breakfast namin, guys. Ito yung breakfast namin. Pancake. Dalawa yung syrup na gamit namin kasi si Aunt Jemima. And then, ang kay Tami is ShopRite sugar-free syrup. And mine is unsugar, the original Aunt Jemima. So, yun yung breakfast natin. And yun si baby Tami. So, yun. Hello, guys.
Kathy, every second.
Oh my God, my knee. I banged my knee again. Just like yesterday. Oh. Han, we need to child-proof our house. Honey. Han, thanks. Ako din, kung maglagay ako ng syrup, guys, it's very light only. Not like, you know, buried my pancake with syrup. Some people do that. I don't like it. I just want a little of, like, glaze.
Good girl, Rock. Good girl.
Go, girl, rock.
Did you get some pancakes?
Guys, I went outside, guys, and harvest some scallion because I need more scallion. I cooked some egg. And also, guys, I noticed, guys, yung tomato natin, guys, and the cucumber. Oh my God, there's a lot of. You don't need salt, huh? Last night, guys, when you watched the vlog, yesterday's vlog, they my fireworks. Oh my God, guys. We went outside. We hear this bang, 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 bang. We were lying down. Bang, bang, bang. So I looked at the window. Across the street, that neighbor doing fireworks, guys. It takes forever for them to stop. We went outside and looked. And you know what's freaking out? Roxy, guys. Oh my God. She sit on top of my face just to, you know, and then I hug her and her Tommy hug her head. I hug her butt. She's so nervous. She won't go to bed. Oh, she's in bed, but she won't go to sleep. Huh?
She jumped over to my side and stayed there for her.
Yeah. And then I realized you're snoring. And then Roxy is just so nervous. She's so nervous. She's alone. But she's still with you.
Yeah, she's not alone. She's not there.
That's what happened last night. We tried to calm Roxy down after she get more nervous when we both went outside. You know where she was hiding? In the laundry area. She's ready to go to the car. Tommy said the last time when she was like the thunderstorm here, when Tommy went to the garage, Roxy's ready to jump to the car. I don't know what he's planning. Maybe she planned to go out somewhere and the car is the solution. She's so funny, guys. But when she have a nervous breakdown like that, I'm afraid because she might have a heart attack. Because it's not just a joke like nervous like that. She's like, oh my God, huffing and puffing and the body is shaking. I don't know what to do with her. I think I did that to her, guys. Like to make her nervous because when she was young until now, every time there is a noise, I act like nervous. Like,
That, and you went anyway, scare her.
yeah, I think I did that to her. She become like me. Nervous of the rain, the wind. Just nervous of the wind. Yesterday was windy and raining, and she want to go outside and pee. She came back to the door, sit down like this. Just the wind is crazy, and the rain is like pouring. I create some of that thing of nervousnesses, I think, but not the whole thing. She's already like.
Wow, you used to love to like scrunch up baggies and stuff just to scare her.
Oh, Roxy, I ruined my baby. I love her so much and I ruined her. Hey, Roxy, what are you doing? Oh, look at that. Too lazy, oh. Okay, get up now. Look, good girl na ni Mama. Uy, good girl. Now, where's Misty Han? She doesn't eat?
I'm saying with you.
Ang dami ng tomato. Look, daming tomato. Tomato galore. At palagi akong nag-harvest dito ng zucchini and more zucchini pa rin. Look, ang dami pa rin. Hindi pa rin nagbabago. Ang daming zucchini. Tumaas na yung talong dito, which is good. Yung Filipino na talong. Yep. Tumaas na siya. Ito may mga bunga na. Slowly. Ano to? Tumaas na si Pilipinong talong. Diba masarap yung Pilipino na talong? Mataas na mapayat.
Hala!
Ito naman, may mataas, mataba. May mataba na dwarf. Tatagalog yung maiksi. Ano. Ito naman, yung bigay ni Lynn. Ano na siya? Look, oh. Oh, may bunga na yan. So, ampalaya, guys. Ampalaya. Yun yung ampalaya natin. Ito dito. Look, may bunga na. Yung ano natin, string beans. Look, may bunga na siya. Uy, nagdidig talaga dito. May something talaga dito, guys. I think yun yung inano nila Roxy. Yung ano, may pumunta dito na hayop pa. I think chipmunks. Yung sili na palagi kong ginagamit. Sili to. And then, alam ko yun kasi dahil sa dahon. Ito sili. Cucumber. Ang daming cucumber. And, meron pa dito, guys. Tignan mo. Ang daming bungang cucumber dito. May ano na yung mais natin, look. Kung meron ng ganyan, that means ready na. I love you, baby. Tapon. Okra pala, okra. Tignan nyo, guys, kung sino yung andon. Naglilinis. May nililinis. Sino yan? Naglilinis. Ay, nagkalinis pa more. Linis pa more. Dumating yung kapatid ni Tamimoy, kakaalis lang. And ako, I'm going to eat something. I will eat before I pick up Lloydie, ha?
Well, if she moved up here, she's never seen a hummingbird.
Yeah, you're right. Hello, guys. Tommy told me, don't bring your camera. And the thing is, I don't have a backpack. It's nice to have a backpack, you know. And, you know, go like this, but I don't have a thing. So, I'm sure Lloydie have bag. I put my stuff on this bag, on her bag. That's what I do. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Han, it's a freaking farm. I'm not gonna bring my nice pocketbook over there.
You want a backpack?
Do you have a backpack? The small one? No. The backpack, Han, that's a backpack you're talking about. That's a big backpack laptop. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to pick up Lloydie now. I told Lloydie I will be there at 2 o'clock. But it's not gonna happen. Yeah, so yeah. I think I'm just going to bring this. How much battery charge is this? Record. Yan, ang gandang lugar, diba? And then, guys, Lloydie's here! Bi, bakit yung buhok mo maganda, yung sa akin buhaghog? Buhaghog.
Nagbuwang. Kasi nag-ano ka ba lagi?
Hindi palagi kapag may ali, mag-alis katulad ngayon. Para paanuhan ko lang, hindi talaga yung serious na gano'n. Paanuhan ko lang siya, padaganan ba? Para gano'n.
Kasi minsan nakakasira yung gano'n.
Sira na yan.
I-blower mo lang. Ako kasi hindi ko, wala na siya.
Dala ako ng ano, be. Ilagay mo yan, be. Wala man yung ano, cash lang yan at saka card.
Huwag natin dalhin yung water muna dyan.
Okay, dito na kami. Nagdala ako ng mask, baka naman. Wala naman. Sana may gulay sila, be. Bahay nila. Bahay ng may-ari. Hala, be. Ha? Hala, ba't kinuklos mo?
Konti lang. Para magkahangin-hangin.
Nandito na si Lodi guys. Nilagay namin itong ano guys. Oh, look. Ito, kalok. Nandito nga na sila.
Cheese.
Ano yung margarita?
Ano siya? Yung gulay siya.
May gulay na? Anong mushroom? Hindi na rin
Lang si Tami dito.
sabi niya, kayo lang. Order lang kami dito guys. Nahiya ako kay Lloydie guys mag-vlog. Ito yung pizza guys na gusto ni Lloydie. Masarap naman siya tignan. Diba Lloyd? Saka hintayin din namin si Lo. Papunta siya dito. Masarap ba? Andito na sila guys. Power couple. New Jersey.
Dito kami.
Hindi kami nagano.
Dito ka.
A little farther out? How about over there?
Well, you guys have the same ano.
Hi, honey.
Team G. Ano yan?
Oh, you guys had your pizza?
Dito ka. Silang dalawa dyan.
Okay lang. Ano lang yun?
What time did you all get here?
Sabi na, pwede naman alis
How long you been here now?
Dito tayo guys sa may falls. Hala, meron sila. Lo, asad ka? Hala, meron pala. Meron na silang pagkainan dito pala. Look. Oh, before wala talagang kainan. Look, ang ganda. May kainan na sila dito guys. Ang ganda ng falls.
Pwede bumaba.
Ha?
Pwede yata bumaba.
Asan si Lo? Ha? Bawal? Pero may mga tao na.
Hindi, pero nakita ko yung ano nila, yung mga yung tawag nito. Reservation.
May reservation.
Tapos yun naman nagkita na.
Wala na, parang may tao, nakakahiya naman. Oh, nagsisit na sila.
Okay.
Parang nahiya ako bumaba, may kumakain. Sa baba. Mayroon na silang mga table sa ano, maganda pala dito talaga.
Dito, pag sama, ganito sa labas.
May ano, kainan.
Pero dati dito.
Dito sa loob.
Ngayon ang bago nakaset up sa labas.
Lumaki na sila, no?
Hindi talaga naman yun.
Meron sila talaga?
Oo, mayroon talaga silang likod. Hinakaw.
Small, medium, large.
Small.
So small cup vanilla?
Yep.
Okay.
Dalawa yung natin.
Anything else?
Ha?
Anything else?
That's it.
668.
Ikaw, babe. Ako na. Sabay mo nga gawin kasi kami ano ko sa'yo.
Ayaw na.
Bigay na lang.
Mine is the same thing, chocolate and vanilla.
You want the twist?
Yeah, twist.
Ikaw, ano order mo? There's the other vanilla.
Okay.
334, please.
How much?
334.
Parang tae guys, oh. Parang tae. Thank you.
No problem.
Sakar tayo. Sakar tayo kasi mainit sa labas.
Hard niya.
Sarap ng hard.
Joker!
Dilo mahilig sa hard. sabi pa nilo hard. Anong ice cream hard? Ganito pala.
Hello, Miss Tapia is here.
Miss Tapia.
Me,
Miss Tapia, Miss Wakwak.
Miss Wakwak, Miss Tapia.
Bakit Tapia? I don't know kung ano yung tapya.
Ano yun? Yung teacher sa school bukol? Naalala mo yun?
Nabasa mo yung comment?
Oo. Kaya nagsabi ako, hello, Miss Tapia is here.
May somebody commented something na silo parang si ano
Kasi nakatali lagi ang buhok ko. And then,
hindi ko kilala yun as in.
sabi niya yung si Luz, kamukha ni Miss Tapia sa school bukol. Tama? Ayan, si Miss Tapia.
Ang layo naman. Grabe naman. Grabe ka naman mag-comment. Ay, si Tapia pa talaga.
Sa telepono, iba daw ang sound.
Parang, hello! Ganon?
Hello! Para bang naiipit na boses.
Ako naman, parang ang boses ko, ang laki, di ba? Parang buo. Parang bakla na tomboy.
Hindi, yung boses mo buo, yung boses ko, yung parang matinis na iniipit. Sabi ko nga hindi ko akalain, ganyan pa rin boses ko. Nag-record ako, tapos bigla akong pinakinggan. Ay, ganun palang boses ko. Kaya pala sabi sa akin, para kang ibon.
Ibon ako makanta, ibon talaga. You guys are happy to see Mama. You guys are happy. Happy. Happy to see Mama. Na yes, you are. Yes. I am home. Ang init, grabe. Pinapaningot yung kilikili ko ng maraming singot. Drink water. Go drink water. Drink water. Hi guys, aalis na naman kami guys. Punta kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Mister para alagaan yung pusa. Kasi malapit nang mamatay yung isang pusa. So, at saka umalis sila. So, kaya yun.
I know, but you're young for us.
Now, well, I have it. What can I tell you? I have a very bad joint.
And yet you still wouldn't take any of the stuff I told you to take.
Well, did you take it? No, you didn't. You don't have any more.
Wait until
So, we are here. Hindi sa ako muna pupunta doon. Tawagan ko muna yung sister ko. Dito na si Tami lang muna yung pumunta doon.
Kind of be tough.
Freddy, you're old naman, Freddy, di ba? You're old, baby. You have a life.
Yeah, I know.
You have a life.
Tough. I can beat this.
Baby, can I touch you, baby? Can I touch my baby?
You see,
Can I touch Fred? I miss you. Oh my God. Wala na siyang lakas, guys. Malapit na siya. It's sad. It's sad, baby. It's sad. I know. I think she is having pain. I think she's gonna be in pain. She just not
He
sure.
was purring when I was petting him.
Oh, she lose a lot of weight, huh? Hello, Fred. Hi, Fred. Fred. You lost a lot of weight. Anyway guys, oh my god, nasasad ako para sa pusa na to guys. Ito, na-imagine ko yung dalawa kong pusa. Oh my god. Nanumbalik yung ano. Naiyak ako parang ako yung nasaktan ba. Yung mukha niya iba. As in, yung kung hawakan mo siya, yung ano niya, noon sobrang taba yun, di ba? Nakita nyo yan guys sa previous vlog ko na yung kasama ko si Bianan, palagi yung kasama namin. Nanumbalik yung yung unang pusa ko na nakilala, yung pusa ni Tami na Cebu. Nakita ko yung mukha ni Tami na ano talaga siya. Kasi si Tami is before aso talaga, pusa talaga yung sa kanya. Ay, alam mo, marami akong naririnig na may mga alaga noon ba pusa or aso, mostly aso, yung mga magsasabi na sobra silang nasaktan na ayaw na nilang magkaroon ng ibang alaga dahil sa sakit na naranasan nila. I'm sure naranasan ko man yun kay Bubu, pero for sure darating man yung panahon kasi lahat naman tayong mamamatay, pero yung mga alaga natin is mas maaga silang mawala kasi yung life nila is mga nasa 15, 16 yung mga aso at pusa. Yun yung pinakamasakit daw, kaya ayaw nilang mag-alaga. Always ma-imagine ko yun yung mga magulang. Palagi masaktan talaga ako, parang nako, iyakin pa naman ako. Yung mga magulang na mawala ng anak, di ba? Anyway guys, hintayin ko lang si Tami na makalabas doon. Ayaw ko nang bumalik. Nasaktan ako pag tignan siya. O, yung mata niya ba?
Yeah, well, you have to wait this way.
Huh?
When a cat loses weight, the first place you see is the face.
The face
Like
is...
sinks in.
She look at me hand like this and like, oh my god, she looks different.
Realize that.
Huh? The light is on over there.
What light?
No wonder.
The light was on.
Huh?
I left the lights on that were on.
Okay.
I only shut off the lights that I turned off. They leave lights and they left the music and stuff. One light in the basement they left on, I left it on. One light in the basement stairs, I left it on.
Hi guys! Nanonood kami ng Snowpiercer every Sunday. Yan yung pinapanood namin. And yun yung show kasi. Finale na siya sa season 1 tonight. And yeah guys, mag-change lang ako na my hobby. Look at my baby. Look at it. He gave me a sweetest look in the world. Very big eyes. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Magbihis din ako guys dahil magpangtulog na tayo. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, so salamat guys sa panonood. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you bukas guys. Good night.